Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Shopify how-to video. If you're new to the channel and you are watching this video for the first time, my name is Bilal Nasir and I keep creating content to help Shopify store owners to boost sales, to improve the store performance, and to enhance the UI of their store to attract more visitors. And today is another video where I'm gonna show you guys how you can add video carousel to your Shopify store, which will look very cool if you have UGC content on your TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, etc. You can add this carousel to display your UGC content for your product and increase the engagement to your store, which will eventually lead to more sales. So if you want to learn how to add video carousel, which is without using any paid app. Yes, you heard it right. You won't be using any app. You just have to follow this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more content like this, and watch video completely to implement this. So if you want to implement this video carousel, make sure to do that, and let me show you how your video carousel gonna look like. So that's my development store and that's my carousel. So these are the 3 videos which I added, and here's the product link, and here's the collection which we can add below the video, and there's another product. We can also change the coloring, and we can do a lot of stuff using the customized settings. You don't have to play around with the code. All you have to do is just add this section, which will look like this on the back end. So if I go to the back end and click on this video carousel section, which you're gonna add once this video is completed, and if I click on that, you can see I have this settings where I can change the aspect ratio. So here's the video aspect ratio. I can change it to cinema, and there's another aspect ratio which is landscape. Similarly, we have portrait, and we have the square version. And we can also use the custom aspect ratio. If you want to have a custom aspect ratio, you can simply click here and add your custom aspect ratio here. I'm gonna currently use portrait version. And you can also increase the slide width. So I'm going to increase it to 400 pixel. I'm going to reduce down to 300 pixel. 300 pixel is fine, but if your videos are cutting off, you can simply increase the width of that as well. And here's the changing every slide. So if you want to change the slide every 8 seconds or whatever seconds you want, like from 0 seconds to 12 seconds, we have the option to do that. Right? Okay, let's get back to 300 pixel here because that doesn't look good. Yep, that looks fine now. Cool. We have the option to display arrows as well. So if I click on arrows, we will have the arrows showing up. I will have to save it. Okay, here it is. So you can see we have now arrows showing up, and these are completely functional. And here we have this audio enable. By default it's gonna be muted because of the browser settings. We cannot have the video unmuted, which is gonna autoplay because browser doesn't support that. So it's muted initially, and then we can unmute it if we want to by clicking on this audio icon here, right? There are further settings which I'm gonna go through with you guys. And here we have the spacing gap. So if we want to increase the gap between each video, we can do that. So I'm just increasing it to 40 pixel. Now you can see we have this gap here showing up, right? And here we have the text size option. The text size which is showing up here, we can increase the size. We can change the alignment of that text as well. Now it's centered, and we have the option to change the text as well. Change the border color to something else. Perfect. Rounded corners, we can remove the rounded corners if we want to, and we can increase the roundness of the border as well to 30 pixels, from 0 pixel to 30 pixels. So you have that option as well. Here we can define the maximum width, and here is the add the custom CSS. If you still feel that there are some of the styling which you want to add additionally, you can add it here for the desktop version and here for the mobile version. And here's the link anchor ID. So if you want to create a button to jump on this section, you can simply add the ID and you can add a button which will jump on this section. And here we have the option to override default theme font. So if I enable that, it's gonna change the font to the one which I select here. Now let me show you how you can add that on your store. So that is my development store. And if you notice, my development store have these other sections. So I created a tutorial for adding this circle menu, and here's an autoplay section which plays video automatically. Here's the collection carousel. Here's the pie chart which you can add. So all of these sections are completely free to use. All you have to do is just subscribe this channel and avail this opportunity to add in these sections like this before and after slider as well, right? And we have also created an app to boost sales for your store. So if you want to boost your store sales by adding the volume discount, you can check out our app which is called Big Bulk Discount. That's our app. So that's our app which you can use to add volume discount. So if someone adds 2 products, it's gonna get 10% discount, and we can have 3 tiers of volume discounts. So if someone adds more to their cart, they're gonna get more discount. It is a really good way to increase the sales. We have received a lot of feedback from our customers who are already using this app, got increased 10 to 20% of their average order value, which is really good. It just costs $2 a month, and free trial are also available. So there's a win-win situation. Use it for free trial. If you see that it increases your sales, keep using that. Otherwise, you can simply install. Cool. Now let's start adding this section, which is the video carousel section. And I'm gonna go to the theme section and install the fresh Sense theme this time, because I keep creating tutorials for Dawn theme. And I've received a lot of comments and people have said that you don't try any other theme and it's not working on Sense theme, Spotlight, or etc etc. So this time I'm gonna use Sense theme and show you guys that this section is gonna work completely fine. No matter you're using free theme or paid theme, is gonna work completely fine. So I have few of the tutorials where they are dependent on free themes. Some of my tutorials are just gonna work on free themes, but this section is completely independent. So it does not have any dependability on free theme or paid theme. So you can use that section on any of your theme, right? So try that out. Free to use. You don't have to lose anything, right? So let's add in the Sense theme so I can show you guys how it's going to work and how you can install that on your own theme. So let's add the Sense theme by clicking on this add button here. And guys, while this theme is being installed, if you are new to Shopify and you want to set up your store for just $1 a month, there's a link in the description through which you sign up. You will get your store for just $1 a month. Limited time offer. If you are new to Shopify, check that out and avail this $1 a month offer. So you don't have to pay $25 a month or like $29 a month, which is the actual pricing. So try that out. Okay guys, our Sense theme has been installed and I'm gonna click on publish and then click on publish again. Perfect. And now let's preview our store. Hit refresh. And here's how store is going to look like. And I'm going to add the video carousel slider on the home page, right? You can add it on any of the page. I'm just going to show you how you can add that on the home page. Okay, let's click on this 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And it will take you to the code editor. Once you have reached to the code editor, click on this section folder here. And then click on add a new section. And then I'm going to name the section video carousel. You can name it whatever you want. Click on done. And remove all of the existing code. Now we will paste the code which is available here. You will find the link in the video description. Again, you don't have to sign up for any newsletter or pay anything. It's completely free to use. So just copy this video carousel section and then paste the code here. And then let's hit save. Perfect. Now I'm going to go to customize settings. So click on these 3 small dots and then open the customize settings on the new window. Okay, our theme customizer has been loaded. Now let's click on add section and here we will find a video carousel. Here it is. And here's our video carousel ready to be used. Now I'm going to add some of the videos. Let's add this one and let's select the product. Let's select this one. Let's click on save. Okay, so that's how you can see it's going to look like. Let's add in another video. So we have 5 video option here, but you can add more videos by clicking on this add video button. Let's add in the second video. Let's add in this one. I have few videos and I'm going to test them out. Let's add in another video. This one. And I think 4 are more than enough. So I'm just going to delete the 5th one and see how the 4 videos look like. Yep, there it is. Our video carousel is ready to be used. Now click save and preview it on the home page. There we go. But it isn't sliding due to the reason we have just 4 videos. So we gotta add some more videos. So let's add in the dummy videos. Click save and go back. Hit refresh. Scroll down and here we go. Our carousel is showing up. As I said, you can also add the arrows. And I think I should enable that feature by default. Click save. Hit refresh. And here we go. Now you can see that we have these arrows showing up. Cool. If you have any requirement for custom section, feel free to let us know via this contact page, which you will find in the YouTube video description. Also, if you want us to build your store, to design your store, which gonna look awesome, you can contact us as well. And that's it for the video. Until next video, have a great day.